Hello friends, this is Vishal and welcome to my channel College World. My previous video was on TSRDC Surveyal College. In our today's video, I will tell you Group 5 syllabus, exam pattern and preparation tips to get a good rank in TSRDC set 2020. So without getting late, let's get started. First of all, I will tell you about the exam pattern. There will be 150 multiple choice questions divided into 3 sections. For each correct answer, you will get 1 mark. So, the exam will be held for 150 marks. Correct question, you will get 1 mark. There is no negative marking. As you know, friends, both Telugu medium and English medium students are appearing for this exam. So, you will get question paper in both languages, Telugu and English. When we come to the duration of the exam, the duration is 2 hours and 30 minutes. Friends, just now I said there is no negative marking. This is a plus point for you. So I suggest you to attempt each and every question. Don't leave any question. Next I will tell you for which course which subjects are asked. For students who applied for MPC group, English, Maths and Physics, questions will come from these three subjects. For BPC students, questions will come from English, Biology and Physics. And for MEC students, the questions will come from English, Social and Maths. Now I will tell important topics in each and every subject and tips to prepare them. First of all, I will tell you about English. English is common to everyone. So if you have basic knowledge about English, you can easily attempt all the questions in this part. When we come to physical science, it is common for both MPC and BPC. In order to make your work easier, I have bought you some selected topics which can fetch you full marks. The important topics in physical science are acids and bases and salts, atomic mass, structure of atom, chemical reactions, heat and kinetics, and atomic numbers. Now let's discuss important topics in maths. Important topics in maths are real numbers, polynomials, statistics, and arithmetic progressions. As maths subject is common for both MPC and MEC. Next come to biology. In biology, important topics are nutrition, circulation, respiration, reproduction, neurons and control system, and transportation. And when we come to social studies, so social studies they will ask from general itself. Selected you some most important topics. All the questions will come from these topics only. First topic is Indian culture, heritage of India, ideas for development, climate of India, employment, unemployment, and per capita income. You may have doubt that I have only 1 day. How can I cover all this syllabus? So don't worry guys, I will give you a simple tip, or you can say it is a trick. Just have to do a simple thing. From the given chapters, leave the points to remember. At the end of each chapter, you will have points to remember. Read all those points. For math students, just take a look at these 4 chapters. As you have prepared for your board exams, you may not find it very hard to practice those chapters in math. In social studies also, read most important topics I have given, and in those also read points to remember which are present at the last of the chapter, end of the chapter. Before going to exam, after completion of your preparation, please solve previous year question papers. At least you solve one paper so that you can know what type of questions are asked in examinations and you can know about the time management. Then I will tell you for MPC English, Maths and Physics, BPC English, Biology and Physics, MEC English, Social and Maths. Subjects are asked. From each of this topic, 150 questions are asked. From English 50, Maths 50, Physics 50. PC for BPC English 50, Biology 50 and Physics 50. For MEC English 50 marks, Social 50 marks and Maths 50 marks. 150 questions for 150 marks. So friends, all the best to your exam. For any information regarding entrance tests, colleges, please subscribe to my channel College World. If you have if you want any details or if you have any doubt regarding this, please comment me in the comment box. This is Vishal signing off. Bye.